Hey there everybody, Joe here. Thanks for watching. I am taking a break from the project I've been working on. Up here are the clouds that I've been painting in my spare room at my house, and this is my first online cloud ceiling painting workshop. And so don't worry, I'm saving all of the footage and I'll be compiling it into a complete course to re-release later. And so I've been releasing a progress video every few days, and enjoying communicating with the others who have joined the workshop. They're working on their own ceilings and we're in the middle of it. So I'll be excited to get this finished and then do the whole thing again later. So if you didn't get a chance to sign up for this one, don't worry. Chain YouTube, Atelier 63, Silencia Lecrae. I'm looking at the comments on last week's video. Excellent, Mr. Miro Joe. I heard the name of my channel. I'm surprised how I pronounced it. I'm surprised that you heard the name of your channel. But that's fantastic. Thank you very much for your kindness. Marvelous work with this new exceptional painting. Bravo. I would like to paint as well with the realism. Like to watch your videos. Thank you very much for all the compliments. It's very encouraging. A friendly hello from France. Sylvie. WB Bush says, thanks, Joe. You're a very good teacher. When you said you had the confidence to start any painting, I was talking on a previous video about reaching a point where I was recognizing patterns of things I was seeing and being able to use that knowledge to do paintings out of my imagination, and how much freedom that gave me. You have the tools in your head. That's what has been holding me up. I have 5 paintings started. I hit a different wall with each one. With your help and others, I'll be able to paint myself out of the corner. All right, good. I would very much like to hear an update on that. And thank you for sharing that, you know, it's a common struggle. You start paintings, you don't get them done, and you know, I definitely have hit walls with projects. Usually for me, it's an issue of inspiration to actually complete the follow-through of finishing the picture. Sean says, very nicely executed. I look forward to more desert scenes. Thank you for sharing. All right, thank you very much, Sean. That's encouraging to me. Followed you for a long time. Love all that you upload. That is a nice compliment. Great channel, my friend, says Chrissy Canvas Art. And Chrissy Canvas Art has some cool videos as well. You can go there and see some. She has some really cool techniques with oil painting here. Wait, I've got some right here. I was just checking out a video of hers. In this one, she's using a palette knife and a brush and palette knife, using some different tools. And I really love when someone uses primarily just color and very loose details. It leaves so much to the imagination, but there's enough there to tell a story. She's got this pretty little this little cottage or house in this meadow with these colors of flowers, and it's just a happy scene, you know. I think it's really cool to get that feel, to have that look without even needing the details. Imagination does details right, you know. Whatever is given to your imagination just puts the details in where they need to be. Second comment. All right, good job, Artistic Glove. You show what I've been looking for. How to paint, not what to paint, says Jim D. I'm just going to say Detri. Sorry, I don't know how to say that. I took an evening class once, asked the teacher how to paint a cloud. She just gave me a picture out of a magazine and told me to copy it. Hey, you know, copying things is a good way to learn, but I relate to the frustration of not having answers. But I think a lot of teachers, they're doing their best with the information that they were given. The things I put on my videos are based on my own research, and so I think a lot of people just don't have the information. People have just, you know, boatloads of talent out there doing amazing things, but it's hard to have clear answers. You know, that it's a different kind of research that gets the answers to those questions. So, you know, in the teacher's defense, I really think, you know, probably doing the best with the information she had. Thank you very much, Laura, for the compliment. Lovely scenery. I do enjoy your tutorials. Thank you. Patrick McMullen says, you said you prefer painting from imagination instead of photos. Just shows You don't have to get a color checker and all those critical values so exact. It's a relief that you've convinced me of that. Hey, it's been a relief to me as well, discovering that I could use patterns instead of exact colors to get, you know, things that I was imagining to look natural. Thank you very much, Michael Madison, for the nice compliment. We've got a good Bible reference here. You are truly blessed with great talent, but also giving a 5-talent effort. Matthew 25, in your pursuit. I love it. Although I don't think I deserve any great compliments like this, but, you know, I am thankful for the encouragement. Sorry I missed your birthday, Joe. Hey, come on. You don't have to be sorry for that. Happy belated birthday. You are one of the best artists I've seen. I've learned how to do water from you. You are welcome, Joe. My name is pronounced Ratterman. So I was reading a comment on a previous video, and so I really appreciate these corrections on my mispronunciations. All right, well, thank you very much for the undeserved compliments that you gave me. Hey, all right, this is cool. Boris says, I lack time for my arts, mainly pencil drawings, and found inspiration on your YouTube channel. Thank you for that, and happy birthday. All right. I recently turned 39. So love that realization, says Clay Thoring. That's the path I'm on right now. I can learn this and turn a talent into a skill. All right, cool. That's good. Really fantastic, says Kudzia Taranum. YouTuber girl, Psycho, says, Psycho. Do you really say like Psycho? You look just like Damon Albarn without glasses. See, I was looking at a picture of him, and I think that he looks better, so I don't think I look like Damon Albarn. I like your video. Started learning to draw. I like your explanation, Joe. So easy, so fun. Just draw. All right, cool. Thank you for that nice comment, Dahana. Thank you, Vilya Torgan. Super et encore bravo. Kiss de France. I know I didn't say that right, but thank you very much for the kisses from France. Love your vids. Enjoy your voice. Thank you, Gina. Thank you, Giovanni, Francisco, and William Roberts for the nice compliments. It looks like the painting reminds Giovanni of Veracruz, Mexico. Thank you, Siska Benica. I went over to her channel real quick to see this video that she posted, and so this is very cool. Thank you, Siska, for giving me a shout out, mentioning me so much on your channel, and being brave enough to post your progress online for everyone to see. Keep up the great work. I looked at it. You're doing good. Keep it up. Keep on rocking, Joe. Baron von Taco Cat. Baron von Taco Cat. This Baron von Taco Cat. This is. You've been around for a long time. Thank you for constantly being around to put up comments on my videos. I appreciate that. Also, hey, if you like my video, then it really helps me if you subscribe. So if you want to let me have the honor of showing off for you again in the future, do hit that subscribe button. You can also see the videos that I have for sale. I sell more in-depth tutorials as well at muraljoe.com, so you can check that out. I almost forgot to mention that we have the September Desert Scenery Workshop coming up on the 19th of this month. And so this is the video I was just reading comments on. This is about that workshop, and this is the kind of scenery that we'll be going over. Light and shadow, these kinds of colors. And so there's still room there if you want to join. I would love to have you sign up, come visit my hometown, Flagstaff, Arizona. It is an absolutely beautiful time to be here. The clouds in September are just amazing. You know, it's the end of our rain season, so today and yesterday I took out my GoPro camera and put it up on the roof of my house. I've been watching the clouds form over the top of the mountain, Mount Eldon, that's right up there, and you know, the clouds just get bigger into the afternoon, and then maybe they rain, or maybe they just start dissipating. They get big in the afternoon, then they go back down in the evening, and they're just beautiful the whole time. I love watching them. So as I've been painting the clouds on the ceiling here, I've had the luxury of being inspired by the real clouds outside, and so I'm going to show you some of the footage that I got off of the roof of my house. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.